That's the greenhouse. As you can see, it's caved in. That greenhouse right there used to be as tall as that one. That can show you how much damage the weather did to it. So, and those metal things that you see that we put onto our fence, that was because we had a neighbor, a previous neighbor. She's no longer living next door, thank goodness. But she liked to poison things, and I was just scared she was gonna try to poison my garden. So we put those up to kind of protect where she couldn't put it in between the holes of the fence. So anyway, just wanted to share that and show you what it looks like. So, would you like me to get you out? Alright, we measured it, so hopefully we did it right. Yep. We did good. Put cement blocks to keep it down, and now we need to fix our shelves. See, now I can walk through, come through here, and I got my dirt in there, and then this is just like a storage spot on the outside. Okay, I want to show you what I have gotten done. On the back porch is my stackers, and then I've got 3 containers that I'll be planting things in. And then over here is where we'll just like to come and sit in the afternoon. And see, we got 2 chairs. And then you can see I got all the weeds out. Now I just need to put dirt down, put more dirt in. Everything needs new dirt, fresh dirt. I used to put marigolds in this pot. That's just the door that husband made. Got some things here, and then I mainly want to show you my greenhouse. If you can see, it's done now, and we just now put this black thing in here. As you can see, it's It's supposed to keep it cooler in the summer. So since I'm not going to be able to grow anything in here, I'm going to come in here and relax. Maybe crochet. I haven't decided for sure what I'm going to do. Read. All sorts of things. And then back here is just the storage. As you can see, it's both ends are open. I like that. And then here's some more pots that I'm going to grow things in. There's some. And I have 3 more stackers over there. And then this is my pool house, I call it now, because again, I tried to grow things in it and it wouldn't work, so now I will be getting in the pool and nobody can see me. And as you can see, here's some more pots that I've grown some things in, and I think we're going to be getting a storm. And then here's this side, more pots to grow things in. And then this is funny, this thing right here was supposed to be blueberries, but it's more like a tree. And this is the garage. And I actually have a greenhouse in here we just put up because I had bought it years ago. And so now this is just mainly just to store things in. And that noise is just the tarp we have just to kind of cover up some of our stuff. So, and then of course our lawnmowers. So that's pretty much it. So now we just got to get new dirt in and then eventually plant stuff. Just wanted to show the door. This is the door my husband made. He made one just like it on the other side also. This just helps to keep the animals out, mainly the cats and the squirrels.